sacred space. Truth is static, tuned to gold. Each frequency a story told. The overload begins to sing. I hear the one in everything. Overwhelm becomes the key. Noise is just infinity.